Most websites now use adaptive views to adapt to different devices. It allows different layouts and content to be displayed on a page based on different screen sizes. For example, an adaptive web page will have different layouts on mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. Let's take a look at the adaptive view through a web page. Dragging the edge of the web page can change its size. You can see that at the breakpoint, the layout and content of the website have also been changed, which is the functionality of adaptive design. Next, let's create an adaptive view set. In the Page Style pane, click Add Adaptive Views, and then click Create New Adaptive View Set to open the Adaptive Views window. The base view is the default view. You can click the Add button to create a child view below it, which will inherit the properties of the parent view. You can select a preset view from the preset drop list. We choose iPhone 11 Pro. After selecting, you can set the name, width, height of the view below, as well as which view to inherit from. Let's create another view. Choose iPad mini 7.9 inch. Click OK to create an adaptive view set, and the current page will automatically apply the created adaptive view set. You can click on the tabs at the top of the canvas to switch between different views. To remove an adaptive view set that has been applied to a page, you can click the Remove Views button on the Style pane. After removal, the tabs on the canvas also disappear. To apply and create an adaptive view set, click the Add Adaptive Views button, and then select an adaptive view set to apply it. Adaptive views inherit through inheritance chains, while child views inherit parent views. Click Edit Views button and you can see that the iPhone 11 Pro view inherits the base view, while the iPad mini inherits the iPhone 11 Pro in base view. The changes made to the widgets in the base view will be inherited by the iPhone 11 Pro view and iPad mini view. The changes made to the widgets in the iPhone 11 view will be inherited by the iPad mini view. The changes made to the widgets in the iPad mini view will only be reflected in the iPad mini view. For example, if I delete a third-party login widgets in the base view, it will disappear in both the iPhone 11 Pro view and the iPad mini view. Go to iPhone 11 Pro view. If I delete the login with other phone widget, it will also disappear in the iPad mini view, but in the base view, it is still present. Go to iPad mini view. If I delete the register widget, it is still in the iPhone 11 Pro view and base view. Some widget attributes follow the inheritance relationship mentioned earlier. Some widget attributes are not followed, and changes to these widget attributes in a certain view will affect the widget attributes of all other views. Widget attributes that follow inheritance relationships include style, position, size, etc. Widget attributes that do not follow inheritance relationships include widget text, interactions, etc. For detailed content on the inheritance relationship of widget attributes, you can check AxureBoutique.com. If you want to toggle some widgets without deleting them, you can right-click on the widgets and select Unplace from View, and the widgets will disappear from this view and all child views. In the Outline pane, we can see red widgets, which indicates that the widgets has been unplaced from this view. Right-click on the widgets, select Place in View, and it will be displayed in this view and all child views. Preview the prototype. Click on the Adaptive View drop list on the main toolbar to display the corresponding adaptive view. The first option is the Adaptive View. Changing the window size will automatically change the content and layout of the view at the breakpoint. Selecting other options will directly display the specified view. Back to the Adaptive View. When we drag to change the width of the window, the content and layout of the view change at the breakpoint. You can also switch adaptive views through interaction. Drag into a drop list and add 3 options. They are 3 views. Add selection changed interaction to it. Set 3 cases and conditions. If the selected option auth this is equal to base, set the adaptive view to base. If the selected option on this is equal to iPhone 11 Pro, set the adaptive view to iPhone 11 Pro. If the selected option on this is equal to iPad mini, set the adaptive view to iPad mini. Preview the prototype. And when we switch options, the view changes.